I'm Mark. I work down here at Nerdhalla Games. A lot of kind of old school gaming is kind of what we do. So the biggest one's going to be Magic the Gathering. It's a card game that's been around for 30 years. It's kind of the mother of trading card games. We support some other stuff that's also kind of nerdy and in that same fandom. So we like tabletop games, we like role-playing games, we like building models, we like fighting those models together. The things that we do are branded for people to interact. The reason you get a tabletop game is to bring it home and to play it with other people. So why not, when you're doing that, maybe run into people that you might have those same interests, right? Especially if a game like a trading card game, part of the whole idea is that you meet people and you trade them cards. And I think that is a big driving force for what creates community for us. And why stores like this tend to be community-based is because that's what makes it fun for us, is to have people in here. I think a lot of gaming today is going towards a lot of faceless stuff, a lot of microphones, a lot of sitting in front of a screen, which is fine, I love that. But I think there's still a very important place for community-based, face-to-face interaction.